When I went into the EM program, I had been working in the software field for about 5 years, and I was looking for ways to expand my career paths, to try to understand what things I could do better to influence product quality, to improve a customer's interaction or an end user's interaction with our software. After the program, the engineering management program, I did have a problem in which I actually had to bring the knowledge and experience I had in the program to bear to resolve a problem. We experienced a code problem that affected not just IBM as my customer, but also other customers as well. And it was a fairly serious code defect. We actually validated the code fix, but during our testing we identified an additional problem. So not only were we able to resolve a problem that had been identified by the customer, but we were also able to proactively identify a potential problem and address that. We addressed that problem about 6 months later in shipping code. So I feel like the experience I had in the engineering management program directly influenced my ability to take that problem to resolution and had a very positive impact on our code, which basically had a positive impact on about 12 million people who were using that shipping code. During the Notes in Domino 7 internal beta, we actually identified 134 software defects and fixed 106 of those. The others were not considered critical before the code actually went gold, before we shipped the code. How I was able to affect that did have to do with 3 of the classes that I took in the engineering management program, among them the negotiations class, the marketing class, and also the system design metrics class. The skills and knowledge that I learned in those classes enabled me to correctly prioritize the impact of the problem and advocate successfully to get those particular software defects addressed in shipping code. And again, the fact that our customers never had to experience those code defects in production was a huge bonus, and in fact Notes in Domino 7 was one of our most stable product releases of Notes in Domino that we'd had in many years.